Welcome to the tutorial on how to use the Position Sizing Calculator Chrome extension. This tool helps traders calculate the number of shares to buy, the amount required, and other crucial metrics for effective trading. Let's get started. Before we dive into the tutorial, let's talk about the benefits of using the Position Sizing Calculator. This tool ensures that you, 1. Manage risk effectively. By calculating the exact number of shares to buy based on your risk tolerance, you protect your account from significant losses. 2. Optimize capital usage. It helps you use your capital efficiently, ensuring you're not overinvesting or underinvesting in any single trade. 3. Make informed decisions. With clear calculations, you can make informed decisions about your trades, leading to better trading outcomes. As the famous investor Warren Buffett said, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. The Position Sizing Calculator helps you understand and manage your risk. Now, let's discuss the negative impact of buying shares without considering risk percentage of your account value. This approach can lead to 1. Overexposure. You might risk too much on a single trade, leading to significant losses if the trade goes against you. 2. Underutilization. You might not invest enough in profitable trades, missing out on potential gains. 3. Inconsistent results. Without a consistent risk management strategy, your trading results can be highly volatile and unpredictable. Proper position sizing is crucial to maintain a balanced and profitable trading strategy. First, open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store in your search bar and clicking on the first link. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, type Position Sizing Calculator in the search bar at the top left corner and press Enter. Look for the extension with the name Position Sizing Calculator by MarketUpToDate.com and click on it. On the extension page, click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension. The extension will be added to your browser, and you'll see the Position Sizing Calculator icon in your Chrome toolbar. After downloading, click on the extension icon. In front of the Position Sizing Calculator, there's a Pin button. Click on it so it will be pinned to your Chrome toolbar for fast access. Now, let's open the extension by clicking on the Position Sizing Calculator icon in your Chrome toolbar. In the first field, enter your account balance. Let's assume your balance is $10,000, so you will enter $10,000 in the account balance field. In the risk percentage field, add your risk tolerance level. My favorite is 1%, so I will enter 1. Next, enter the entry price. Let's assume the stock price is 100. In the stop loss percentage field, enter your stop loss percentage, which is similar to your risk tolerance. In this case, it is 1%. Now, click on the Calculate button. You will see that I can buy 100 shares, and the amount required is $10,000, which is my entire account value. If the stop loss hits, I will lose only 100 rupees, which is 1% of 10,000, which is my account balance. This is just an example of a 1% stop loss. Now, assume your stop loss price is 96. Enter 96 in the stop loss price field, then click on the Calculate button. Now you can see that to lose 100 rupees of my account, which is 1% risk of my account value, I can buy 25 shares with a stop loss of 4%. The money required is 2,500 rupee, which is 25% of my account value. This is how you can effectively manage your risk and position sizing. Now I'm opening my Brokers tab where I want to buy shares. By clicking on the Copy button next to the number of shares, I can copy the number of shares and paste it into my buy order window. Similarly, you can copy the amount required value and paste it into your buying order value. You don't need to enter the account balance and risk percentage every time, as it is stored in the extension. You just need to modify the entry and stop loss per your strategy. That's how you can utilize the Position Sizing Calculator. If you found this extension helpful, please leave a review on the extension page. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.